morning, everyone. Welcome to our mini kitchen, and I, Katarina M.S.N, will be your personal guide, your beloved MC. But first, let's do a quick introduction, shall we? Here are our lovely chefs. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Cahaya T.N.
Hello, my name is Kania D. Hello, everyone. My name is Adisya.
And behind here is a fine gentleman who will do our plating.
Hello, my name is Phaulusdiaz.
Hold on tight, because today's recipe is going to take a new things to a new level. We're making dorayaki, and it's packed with flavor and excitement. Let's crank up the heat and let's start cooking.
The ingredients and the tools to make dorayaki are 3 eggs, sugar, double flour, water, honey for optional, baking powder, baking soda, and cooking oil. And the tools is Siever, spoon, glass, bowl, spatula, bowl, and spoon.
Thank you! First of all, crack all the 3 eggs. Make sure you don't get eggshells into the bowl. Second, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then, add 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix the eggs until the sugar dissolves. The next step is add 8 tablespoons of medium protein flour into the Siever. Mix until it's even. Add 150 milliliters of water into the dough. Rest the dough for 10 minutes. After we rest the dough, add 2 bottle caps of oil. Prepare the pan and stove. Make sure the pan is warm. Add 1 ladle of batter into the pan. Use a spatula to flip the batter once you see bubbles in the batter. Add jam into the dorayaki. stack the two dorayaki together.
This is your dorayaki. Enjoy!
And now we will give our dorayaki to our beloved teachers. Let's go! Here's our beloved teacher holding the dorayaki. Our
Okay.
principal,
Thank you. From class
F31.
F31.
Here's our beloved classroom teacher. And here's our dorayaki.
Okay, terima kasih.
And last but not least, a dorayaki for our choir teacher.
Hello, good evening.
This is for you.
What's the title of this food?
This is dorayaki.
Dorayaki. I want to try this cake about the dorayaki from Kania Group.
Rate 1 to 10.
No, 1 to 10, I think 9.
Yeah.
Good.
Thank you.
Thank you.